I love you.
Love Mama.
You want to go for a walk? You want to go see the doggies? Huh? You want to go see the doggies? Should we go to Elling's Park? Go and see Emma? You want to go see the doggies? Yeah.
Wake up! Wake up! Do you want to sleep in? For how much longer? Just 2 minutes? Okay. How about just like 1 minute? You don't want to sleep? You want to sleep more? Okay, let's make a deal. I'll let you sleep for a few more minutes if you continue to be cute.
Are you pretty? Are you a pretty girl? Do you love me? Are you stupid?
You say Obama? Obama.